Greetings to everyone. Welcome back to our channel and I hope you learn a lot. So, our topic for today is all about gender and school. So, we all know that gender is our identity as a male and female, and we all know that school is our place to learn new things. So, socialization is the process through which people learn and acquire the characteristics of the social group to which they belong. So, socialization is how people learn the behaviors and values of the group they belong to. So, that is in simple meaning, socialization is like interaction with other people, which is important in schools. And schools is the place where our children should be exploring ideas and discovering new skills. So we all know that schools are very important to our children to develop more ideas and skills. So importante gini. Pero inside the classroom, there are some gender discrimination, gender rules, and gender biases, etc. But we are gonna highlight some important. The next is gender bias. Gender bias is a preference or prejudice toward one gender over the other. Bias can be conscious or unconscious and may manifest in many ways, both subtle and obvious. Occurs when people make assumptions regarding behaviors, abilities, or preferences of others based upon their gender. Because there are strong gender role stereotypes for masculinity and femininity. Students who do not match them can encounter problems with teachers and with their peers. So, kanina gender bias kay this is when someone na mas gi-prefer or na unfair sa usa ka unfair to one gender over the other. Kani nga bias can be either obvious or hidden. Pwede na nimo mailan or pwede pa nimo hindi mailan. It may vary. It happens if people assume certain behaviors, abilities, or preferences based on someone's gender because of strong ideas about what is masculine or feminine. Katong students nga dili fit with these stereotypes may face problems with teachers or classmates. So, gender equality through school, providing a safe and inclusive learning environment. Boys and girls must feel welcome in a safe and secure learning environment. Governments, schools, teachers, and students all have a part to play in ensuring that schools are free of violence and discrimination and provide a gender-sensitive, good quality education. So, dapat everyone, boys and girls, dapat ma-feel nila nga safe sila o welcome sila sa school. So, it's important for government, schools, teachers, and students na to work together to create an environment na walay violence or any discrimination, where everyone nga makakuha og good education, especially to students. So to achieve this, Governments can develop non-discriminatory curricula, facilitate teacher education, and make sure sanitation facilities are adequate. Schools are responsible for addressing school-related violence and providing comprehensive health education. Teachers should follow professional norms regarding appropriate disciplinary practices and provide unbiased instruction. And students must behave in non-violent, inclusive way. So, governments can help by making sure that school lessons are fair to everyone, especially to students, malaki man o babae. So, government can train teachers properly and ensuring that schools have clean and safe na bathrooms. Kailain sa to baho ato ang bathrooms no sa eskwelahan dapat malinis kina pirmi para dili pod makasakit o dapat limpyo sa eskwelahan. Schools also need to stop any violence and teach students about health and well-being. So, ang school dapat i-stop nila ang mga violence such as mga kanang pirmi may tabo sa classroom, such as kanang bullying, mga awat, waon ng kwarta sa bata o sa iyang classmate, na dapat ang school i-stop ana na violence kaya makadaot na sila ha. O dapat ilang i-teach ang students about silang health and well-being. And then teachers should use fair and respectful ways to manage classroom and treat all students equally. So dapat ang mga maestra or maestro dapat fair sila ang respectful, dili kay kanang naay bias bitaw, naay favoritism sa kuan sa estudyante sa nang kuan favorite ako si kuan dapat pasar na siya kanang uban kanang dili niya kanang mga sabaan dili man niya favorite, so yay hagbong. So dapat dili na, dapat fair and respectful ways para manage nila ang classroom o para i-treat nila ang whole classroom, especially sa mga student nya i-treat sila equally. So students should treat each other kindly. So dapat ang student dapat po ni sila mo dapat na kind po silang classmate ba, dili sila mo avoid sila violence para magkasinabot sila o para makuan bitaw ang school ma safe and positive place for learning. So that is for providing a safe and inclusive learning environment. So let us go to how can school maintain gender equality. 1. It's not only about how can school maintain gender equality. It's not only about numbers. That's first one. Gender equality in schools is not only about equal numbers of girls and boys in classroom. It is also about equal opportunities and avenues available to both, resulting in equal participation and achievements. So, gender equality isn't just having an equal number of boys and girls inside the classroom. It's about na both male and female na same sila opportunity na mo participate and mo success sa ilang goals. So that is the first to maintain gender equality. Now the second is gender role stereotyping. Schools should avoid negative gender role stereotyping in any form and should promote both girls and boys for all types of sports, vocational courses, and subjects. So, dapat ang eskwelahan should avoid to making assumptions about what boys or girls can do or should do. Instead na dapat i-encourage nila ang students, male or female, na to try sa mga activities, whether sports man na or vocational training or academic subjects. The third one is the integrating life skills and gender equality. Age relevant gender and life skills orientation for both girls and boys help in building emotional resilience, emotional intelligence, decision making, mutual respect, assertive skills, and leadership skills. So, schools should teach both boys and girls important life skills para it can make them grow emotionally, para buat sila good decisions in their life and to respect others, speak sila confidently and become leaders in the future. Kani makatabang ni na makabuild o na respectful and supportive environment for everyone. That's all, guys. So I hope you learn today in this video and see you to the next topic.